So we're back at the same place we were at the last time, and of course, Kaylee got a turkey leg this time. They're not as big today. Is it good? Not as big today, but it'll do. I went and picked up a koozie for my cup. Then we go around with a koozie. Let's go ahead and taste it. A little mustard. Just a little bit. They are playing Bugs Bunny in the background. Just in case you can hear. They have a TV going with Bugs Bunny and there's Minion Devil.
I've never been in this area before, but it's kind of cool. It looks like a little train car.
Yeah, it's cool over here. It's like this area is like this side new, or maybe not. We've just never been to this side. We always go to the other side. So sadly, we came to see if there was a show, but there's not. The shows here at Rockville High are done, by the looks of it. It's been like over a year since we've seen this show. But every time we come, we came during the winter, and we thought it because it was winter. No, we actually asked one of the attendants, and they said that during the winter, you know, the cast members are in college, and that's why they weren't doing it. But it's summertime now, and we still have nothing.
I wonder if it's because they use this for the haunted house.
Well, maybe.
During Halloween.
Yeah, I guess.
Maybe they don't want to like tear everything down, so they don't get to the show anymore.
Maybe not. But I don't know. We'll find out. I mean, if we go all season and we still don't see a show, then we know that it's canceled. We don't have anything anymore. There's Batman right there. We rode that. And I felt like I was gonna fall off.
So scary.
It was so scary.
You're like, it's basically the whole car like rotates in a circle. So when you're up there and it's like rotating you, you're literally like looking down at the floor.
Yeah, and then you lift the seat, like you lift off your seat, and it's a good thing that there's like a foam insert over where that bar goes over, because if that wasn't in there, you'd totally fall off.
Yeah. Like that's all you have between like you and like falling.
I know.
Whatever is here. Scary.
It is very scary. So scary.
Kenzie liked it.
She did.
Little daredevil.
She is. Look, that pretzel looks so good. But we can't have pretzels. Alright, looks like we're coming to a deserted park. There's like nobody in here. Look at that ride. Yeah. Oh, and that one. Apparently you have I don't have goggles on.
Maybe not yet.
Yeah, apparently that ride's gonna get goggles so you can wear.
It's gonna be VR.
Or yeah, VR, virtual reality, yes. Should we get on the Ferris wheel? Yeah. Alright guys, we're gonna go on the Ferris wheel. So scary. Here we go. It's not, I mean, it's kind of warm, but that's it. What? This hot crap is about as useless as tits on a bowl? I don't think you guys can see that. No, they make it brighter.
It's only 89 degrees out.
Hi. We got banned.
Reached our weight limit.
For real? So he's already leaving. Look how big it is. Oh, it's so big. No, there's still plenty of empty Yeah, we reached our weight limit with those guys. I wonder if you gotta be certified to man this machine.
What's that noise?
I don't know, it's squeaking, that's all I know.
I don't know if we should go.
I know.
How many?
Just 2.
Go ahead.
Thank you. This one?
Yes.
There we go. We're so high up. Oh, this ride is squeaking. This ride is squeaking. Squeaky poop. Yeah, we got on the same ride the last time.
Why are we going
Back down? I don't know. We just started. There we go. This is how high we are up. There's the Superman. We're still not as high as that Tower of Terror. I know. And why are we going back down again? Something's wrong with this ride, and I think I need to get off. I need to get off this ride, like ASAP. It's a loud noise. So loud. Kaylee's not amused.
Guys, if I die today, I don't know. I don't even know what to say.
Yeah. Because this ride goes up. Well, the Ferris wheel goes up and then it goes back down again. Up and then down. So actually right now it is staying up. So that's a good sign.
I don't want to die in a Ferris wheel.
No, we don't.
They're going to be my last words.
Yep.
Why did we go on the Ferris wheel?
Yep. There's the Superman going at it. Oh, this feels nice. How nice? So last time we were here, we also went on the Ferris wheel. Decided to do it again.
It's nice.
It's nice, you go up high, it's a cool breeze. We survived. We're alive. And now we found Bumblebee. Hi. We found Bumblebee.
We survived.
Yeah. And we found Bumblebee right here. It's my car. And then Kaylee's car. Yes. No, it's a Challenger.
Yeah.
It's not Bumblebee, sorry.
Camaro.
No. Found a Challenger. I welcome all Challengers.
It's nice.
It's a nice car.
Yeah.
And then that's Kaylee's car right there. The minivan.
Yeah, let me take off my sunglasses real quick. For real, dude.
Oh look, they want a big Superman. You don't want the Superman? You don't make them.
It's right there.
I'll give you the poop emoji.
The rainbow one?
Yeah, the rainbow one.
No.
Because that's when you poop, it comes out in rainbows.
That happens after I drink Powerade Zero.
Seriously?
Yeah.
So much information. It's kind of gross.
Sorry, I forgot this was a Batman anymore.
There's a Batman.
My scalp is burning.
Yeah, I know. And there's the Poltergeist. That was a crazy ride. That Poltergeist.
I've been on that ride forever.
Look, there it goes up there, guys. So check that out. That is some crazy shiznit. As you can tell, the screams. And it'll come around again right now. Here it comes. All you hear is like people screaming.
No, not again.
No. Oh, look at the life of the Poltergeist.
I know. That was a once in a lifetime opportunity.
Kenzie liked it, right?
Yeah.
Oh. Look both ways for Coliseum Railroad tracks. All right, no train, let's go.
Oh no, stop.
Superman. Here comes Superman. Okay, we're gonna leave you. Bye. Chicken. Actually, those are chicken strips.
Oh, it's still chicken.
It's still good though. Do you need first aid?
Yeah.
Because it's that way. Yeah, for first aid, yes, you are going the wrong way. Look, enter for a chance to win a Yeti. No, it's okay. Yeah, don't get close to those people because then they'll hound you.
You need a bar cut or
Seriously? Boston Celtics. You're like, oh. This is the fountain shot right here. The GoPro needed a bath. That's why I dunked it in there. Now we're headed into Deer Pilger train station. On a walkway to the back, leading to nowhere. All right, let's go ride this train. Right here where it says entrance. Entrance. Oh, it's like a train station. We gotta buy our ticket. I gotta get 2 tickets, please, for the ride. Thank you.
There's nobody here.
I know.
It's the ghost.
It's the ghost of tickets. Please, it says please stand back. I'm a rebel. No sign of the train. No sign of the train.
Listen, or we don't follow rules
Nope.
very well.
Please stand back. There we go. We're on this train now. We're like little kids on this train. Yep. I cried the whole time I was on it.
Can you imagine?
Crying the whole time you're on it. We're talking here. We're back at our favorite store where all our superhero stuff things are at. Here we go. Exactly what I need. Kaylee already has one. I need one for my Moscow mules. We already have one though. I mean, I don't need one for the Moscow mules. Yeah. True, but it's fine. Yeah, the ones we have at home look better. Alright, those are cool. Bam! Look at this water bottle. Water bottle. Water bottle.
Oh, that's cool.
I know, it's Batman though.
They don't do the show over there anymore.
Yeah, that's what I thought.
Yep.
Well, that sucks. Look. Robin Pop. Robin Pop. Yeah. Look, they got the penguin too on the pop.
It's so funny that when we came, Nicholas and stuff.
I know. I'm sure he would have walked out with all this stuff.
Red and white stripes. This little Batman.
Oh, I dropped it. It's a big fail. He's falling. I'm gonna try this one more time.
Okay.
Oh, look, guys.
It's gonna be your thumbnail. Now you gotta do the voice.
Jen. Kaylee.
He's a nerd. Right? Just a big nerd.
I am. Let's put the shades back on because it's so sunny in here.
Oh yeah.
We got Wonder Woman.
Dude, this one's cool.
Got a Superman one. I think I like the Superman one.
I like this one, but Kenzie would kill me.
You want to get the Superman one?
No, that's fine.
$13. It's not that bad.
It's not, oh, this one's 20.
Oh, I wonder why. The movie just came out.
Yeah. And look, it's got that.
No, that is cool. It's got the metal looking. I don't know. Superman or Batman? I mean, I do like Superman a lot better.
Batman one looks cooler though.
Right? Because it's black.
It's like black with a yellow color.
And then I like how this is, well, same thing on the other one. It's in,
Yeah.
this red stands out. Decisions. But I have a Superman tattoo. I can't get Batman.
I know. It's true.
I mean, I'm all about Superman. Superman's my dude.
22.
Mega blowout, Six Flags. Oh, that's cool. So we're leaving the park once again. This time it was only an in and out. It's like every time we come here, it's like an in and out. Why? Because we live in San Antonio and we have season passes. So we can come and go as we please. But the last time we were here was like what was it, Easter weekend?
Yeah.
So it's been a while.
116.
Yeah. I ended up buying the Superman notebook. It was that one of the Batman, but like I think you guys heard, both of us have Superman tattoos, so I can't betray Superman.
So we are headed to Sci-Fi Con. It's a sci-fi convention. It's a free convention, but the proceeds go towards a couple of local charities. So it is free, but whatever you buy there, and if you pay to take a picture with the Supernatural Impala, a portion of those funds are going to go towards charity. So, it's a free convention. I love conventions. This will be Mike's first convention. I told him don't get his hopes up too high because it's a free one. It's not going to be as good as Comic-Con, but I hope it's fun.
We met him. We're good. Yeah, this is cool.
That's awesome.
Yeah. Okay, let's get a shot from the top. I see a lightsaber down there. That's where we're going, down there. Look, he actually breathes. You can hear him.
I know.
So let's keep an open mind, but this thing looks really small. Wow. Oh, look. This is cool. Oh, there's another one. Yeah. Except he doesn't breathe like the other one. I don't know who that guy was. A whole bunch of t-shirts. Those like anime t-shirts or prints. Yeah, that's cool. I feel like I'm gonna do this like in 5 minutes. Look, journals. Oh, they had them here too, except here they're 15. Here. There you go. It's Kaylee's show. Stand in the middle. Oh. There you go. Look. These look so realistic.
Look.
Oh, that's cool. 2 for $25?
Yeah.
Oh, they even have a
Deadpool one?
Yeah.
I like these. Oh, look. Devil's Trap.
That's cool. Oh, they got mugs too.
I really like that.
Like you drink a lot of liquor.
Oh, I drink now.
They get a mug.
I don't have a mug. Oh, they have this, yeah.
Ah, let's go see what else they got. Oh look, here comes a clown. See him? The clown right there. His name is Chuckles. Look. His name is Chuckles. Chuckles the clown. Same shirts we have. Yeah. They probably bought them on clearance from Target. Oh, look. Yeah, that's cool. Yeah, so. That's cool.
It's Indiana Jones.
Oh yeah.
Hi.
Comic books. Pokemon. Kitty. I have one of those. I think I have that exact same one. My pixelated stuff. Look.
Little Robin.
That's cool. What are you looking at?
The Impala.
Where's it at?
Right in front of you.
Wow. Look how shiny it is. Look how shiny it is. Look at that. Wow. That's cool. See the trunk? It's a sweet car. Sweet car. Yeah, they got the jackets inside. Oh look, the beer and the shotgun. That's cool. Here, it's right there. Oh look, you see this? It's right there. So I can just take a video of you. Excited?
Yes.
Kid is enjoying herself.
This is 118 degrees. What the heck? 116 now.
It is crazy hot outside. What did you think?
It's freaking hot. The sci-fi con?
Yeah.
It was fun. Didn't compare to Comic-Con.
It was fun. I mean, most of what you guys saw, that's all there was. I mean, there was really nothing. I mean, it was free. How could it be? You know?
But sitting in the Impala,
Yep, that was cool.
that was a fun moment.
Moment you'll treasure forever.
A moment I will treasure forever.
Well, that was my first con, so hopefully we can.
I don't even think we can call it a con.
Hopefully we can go to a better one because that kind of sucked. Like I said, it was free, so I didn't expect too much out of that.
I mean, you're not going to get the full convention experience because there's no celebrities.
Yeah, true. Yeah, and they had no Nintendo stuff either. You know how I love Nintendo. There was hardly any. I think I saw like a Luigi and a couple of Nintendo, like little 8-bit keychain, like homemade. I don't know. They didn't look that.
Fun?
No, it didn't look that like well made. I mean, I guess for what it was fine, but it wasn't anything too like, oh my god, I gotta have that. Yeah, so now we're on our way we're gonna go to HEB. Actually, we're gonna go home, pick up some stuff we need to return, and then go to HEB and Target. So let's get a move on. We're at our favorite place at the grocery store. Look, it says grocery at top. Grocery.
We sometimes buy groceries here.
Yeah. Not that they're hiring. For reals, dude. It's not. The return is complete. Now we're gonna get coffee at Starbucks. Starbucks. And just like that, we finished our coffee. Okay, they still finished our coffee, and our basket is full of stuff. And Kaylee just found a makeup box. Yeah, her makeup is not scattered everywhere. On top of the dining room table.
I have it in the back. Why are they all like that?
Because that's how fancy they are. They're all like that, dude. Fancy. So we got a whole bunch of stuff for Denver, which is in 2 weeks. Actually, yeah, 2 weeks from Monday. Sunday, for tomorrow, we're actually leaving to Denver. I'm debating whether to take the Phantom 4 Pro. More than likely, I'm gonna try and see how that works out. A friend of mine went to Colorado a week ago, took his Mavic, and they really didn't ask him much. I mean, I had heard he had to place those batteries in, like the drone batteries in a flame, like a flame resistant pouch or something like that. I've seen them on Amazon, but he said no. He just had the batteries on his carry-on. He had his Mavic. They didn't tell him anything. Fire. You know what that means? Exactly. Barbecue. All we're doing is some chicken thighs, and so we're gonna do chicken thighs. We wanted to do chicken breast, but we need fat, so we went with chicken thighs. So I'm gonna do 4 chicken thighs, and then we're gonna go ahead and cover them with cheese, avocado, and bacon. And then with a side of cauliflower and mac and cheese. Kaylee's recipe. That is delicious. So if you guys are interested, let me know and I can post the recipe down below. It tastes like kind of like mac and cheese, not really, but you do have the sour cream and the cheese and the bacon bits, so it plays tricks in your mind. It's like you're eating a baked potato, loaded baked potato. Not anything like mac and cheese. I think of it more as a just baked potato with sour cream, butter, bacon bits and so forth. But anyway, rambling too much about the food now. So that's what our evening looks like, and it's still 95 degrees out here. It is still very warm outside. So I'm not gonna stay out here for long. I just came out to check the fire and show you guys what we have going here. I already told them our menu. We got all this stuff that we need to put away.
Do we need to put away, or that I have to put away?
You have to put away.
Yeah.
Yeah. All this stuff. And then, and I also forgot the,
I forgot ice cream. Shit.
I forgot the cheddar jalapeno sausages. And then chicken thighs are right below. And then that's just some ground meat. Some ground beef prime 1 that we got. Ground chuck. We're not making that today. I got some water. I'm gonna drink more water. We ended up buying some Halo ice cream, low calorie, low everything. And then here's our mild ketogenic shakes. Those are very good. It's pretty good. Kaylee, she says they're alright. I like them. And then Kaylee also got a ultra
low carb beer.
There you go, low carb beer.
2.6 grams of carbs.
There you go.
12-ounce serving.
Drink Michelob Ultra if you're doing low carb. So while I'm waiting for my chicken and my sausages to come out, and I'll show you guys in a bit what that looks like when I go back out there, I decided to open up a Geek Fuel box. I've had this box since last month and I still haven't opened it. So we're gonna see what's in it. And then so that's the Geek Fuel box. And I also have a Loot Crate box that I need to open. That's also last month's box. So let's see what's inside this box. Let's see what's inside this box here.
What is a Bob's Burgers box?
I don't know. I guess we're gonna find out what it is. I got my trusty knife right here.
It's a kitchen knife.
It's a paring knife, actually. So, there we go. You got the nice fancy paper here on top. There we go. First thing I see is the most beautiful woman in the world, Wonder Woman. Heck yes.
You picked Kate Beckinsale as
sure
the most beautiful woman in the world.
I sure did.
Can't go back now.
Yeah, this is always worth looking at, especially when she's in the cover, so I'm gonna go ahead and keep that nice and safe.
I have a girl crush on Wonder Woman.
Alright, so let's see what else is in this box. Of course, we have a t-shirt, We'll save that for last. And then we also have little Guardians of the Galaxy dude.
It's Baby Groot!
I've never seen this movie. I need to see the first one. But I know what the characters are, so this doesn't, no, it's just a little, what's his name?
Groot.
Yeah, it's Groot. There you go, so that's what's in there. And then what else do we have here? We have the Epic Enamels, once again, a pin. And this one is it's Princess Peach. Yeah. Oh, they also have a Mario one and a Luigi one.
Yoshi.
Yeah, Yoshi.
Toad.
And the rare one is only 500 made, and it's Bowser. What? Bowser. Yeah. So this is pretty cool. This is the first one I actually like. Well, actually, I did have a Ninja Turtles one not too long ago, so that was kind of cool as well. And then what else is in here? And then of course you get your game. So Deponia? I have no idea what this is. But it's your $10 value downloadable Steam game. And then we also have, what is this? Marvel something. It just says Marvel. That's all I see. But what's in here? Oh, I think it's a poster. Yeah, it is a poster. I'm sure there's two posters in here. Oh, no. Oh, certificate of authenticity. Geekview has issued this certificate to authenticate this limited edition print of the Amazing Spider-Man by Gray Matter art of Dave Parallel. So yeah, so that's cool. Look at that, the Amazing Spider-Man.
That's pretty cool.
That's cool.
It's actually really cool.
Yeah, so let's fold it back up so it doesn't get bit. So it doesn't get bit. Put that back there. Oh, you don't bend it. Yeah. And then finally, way down here, what is this? Blast from the Past, the bag. And inside we have a sports almanac. Great.
Awesome.
1950 to 2000. Complete sports statistics. Check that out.
Ah, that's so cool.
This is cool. This is really cool. But it's a binder, just so you know.
It's a,
yeah, it's a binder. But still, it looks cool.
But still, that's awesome.
Yeah, this is cool. So it's blank pages inside. I didn't think we actually got the actual almanac, but yeah, that's cool. It did trick me there for a bit.
I know.
And I like the bag that it comes in. It's nice. So, alright, and then of course at the end you have your Space Invaders. So that was a shirt, obviously, Space Invaders, that I have not opened yet. So let's look at the shirt. I already gave it away. So Space Invaders shirt.
That's cool.
There you go.
It's an old game.
Yeah, 1978. High score 5,280. I remember this game.
I honestly don't remember that game.
I do, but I didn't really play it. Space Invaders. I think Mario did play that a lot. Mario's my brother.
Oh, no, wait, I did.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, I played it every now
I
and
played Galaga more
So, a shirt is always good. So, I always appreciate a shirt that they send. So, like I said, so here it shows you Space Invaders shirt. And then it says the giveaway. Oh, they're giving away an arcade. Nice. Look at that. And then in the back it shows you everything you got. So your Epic Enamels, your poster, your Funko Mopes Guardians of the Galaxy plush, and your downloadable Steam game, and your sports almanac. There you go. So lots of exciting stuff in here. Especially this sports almanac, that's cool. I'm not gonna use it. I'm just gonna put it somewhere. It looks cool. It actually looks like it's the actual one. So we're good.
I think we should get a flux capacitor.
No.
that little thing from ThinkGeek,
Yeah.
and then we can put that. We can put it with that.
Okay, put that back in there too. All right, so that's that box.
Is this the store?
Yeah,
What is it
I think so. And then nothing else in the box. It's empty. Just that paper that it comes with. And put that box to the side. And this box is a lot bigger. So let's see what's in this one now. So let's cut this tape. Let's move this to the side. I don't need this knife anymore before I cut something myself, my veins. So I've never put the box together, so you can put the box together and it, you know, it becomes something. So this is a Transformers. This is inside the box, but I've never actually put the box together. So transform your crate into Optimus Prime truck form. Instructions are in the product guide. Hashtag CrateCraft. So I don't know. I might put that one I might put this one together. Just to see how Optimus Prime looks. I don't know. But once again, we have a shirt. Put that to the side. Oh my god. There's some stuff in here that I already like and see. So check this out. It's a Spider-Man fig, but that looks kind of cool. So he's like hanging from I don't know, from something.
Oh, it's like a newspaper.
Yeah, so he's
picture.
hanging from the web. You know, he's hanging upside down. Oh, it's from an actual light pole. So that's cool. Alright, that'll go great on the shelf. So here, you want to take a look at that. And then we also have a Hulk bowl. So that's pretty cool. See what this looks like. Yep, it's a green bowl. It's a plastic bowl. And it's got Hulk's hand on it.
That's a nice bowl.
Yeah, that's a nice bowl. I can eat my cereal, my Lucky Charms. I can't eat. But hey, wishful thinking, right? There you go. That's for you. And then we also get our Loot Crate, a loot pin. You always get a pin in these boxes. So there's a pin, and this one is, I don't know what that is. It says a pin unlocks something epic on Loot Crate. Go to lootcrate.com/pins. I don't know. Anybody can tell me what that pin is down below, then I greatly appreciate it. I'm sure it's in the that thing that comes in the box.
Dr. Jekyll
Tells you what
Mr.
it.
Hyde?
I don't know what it is. It's something. I don't know everything that comes up in these boxes. But now we also have DC Comics, the New 52. So this is the poster collection. There you go. Oh, these are nice pictures. Oh, this is nice. Very nice. Colorful. Harley Quinn. Yeah, and Joker. This is awesome here. Flash.
Aquaman.
Aquaman.
Green Arrow.
Green Lantern. Superman. A whole bunch of people. I don't know what the guy's name is.
Cyborg.
Yeah, Cyborg. Supergirl. Justice League. Wonder Woman. What? Oh,
Wonder Woman and Superman.
yeah. They're like getting it on.
Well.
Getting it on.
Well.
She can do it.
Freaking love Wonder
There
Woman.
you go. This is pretty cool. There we go.
Awesome.
And then, of course, you get your Alter Ego Loot Crate, June 2017. This is embrace your true self, overcome every challenge. Hold on, I'm gonna leave the shirt to the last. Alright, and then yeah. So let's look at the shirt before I give it away what it is. And hopefully, of course I like this. Optimus Prime.
That's cool.
That's a cool shirt.
It's pretty cool.
Yeah, it's pretty cool. So 2 shirts are always good. And then, like I said, so this just shows you everything you got. There's the shirt. There's the book.
Oh, it's
Oh,
Power
it's a pin.
Rangers.
It's a Power Ranger pin?
I
Oh,
guess.
it didn't look like a Power Ranger pin. Green Ranger version 2? I don't know, but that looks pretty good. So there you have it. So like I said, this is the box that you put together, and Transformers, and apparently it turns into Optimus Prime. So I guess we'll try this later. But for now, I need to go check my chicken and my food outside because I forgot about it. It's already smoking. It's smoking, guys. Oh no. Okay, it's good. It's good, guys. Thought I had burned it. That's what happens when you open up a box. Alright, chicken looks good. Actually, the chicken looks really good. These chickens are kind of small, but that's okay. We got sausage and chicken. This is cheddar jalapeno sausage. So look at that. Look at that sausage. Look at those chickens. For reals, we're dropping things. Oh. Right. I'm gonna give it about a couple more minutes, and then I'm gonna take them out. And then my portion of the food is ready, and then Katie needs to make her portion of the food. So this is what I picked up at Six Flags: a Superman notebook. $13, which is not bad. So let's open it and see what we got. You know, maybe I'll start taking some more notes or something. Never know. Might get creative. Take some notes. You know, has it ever happened that you have like a nice notebook to write in, and then when you're needing something to write with, you just grab whatever paper and write, like a napkin, or especially me, and I just go to the receipt paper, to the actual, you know, the terminal, the printer, and just feed out, you know, press the feed button, take the receipt out, and then actually write on that. So that's what I do a lot. But yeah, so this looks pretty good. It's got a band here that holds it shut. I do like that Superman symbol right there. And then in the back you do have a Daily Planet. And then on the front you do have Superman logo. So let's open this up. There's a place for a pen. See that? And there you go. Red. Oh, this is like a journal. It doesn't even have lines for you to write in, but oh well. Still nice looking. And then here is your bookmark. Overall, very nice. I do appreciate the little details, the little Superman logo here at the bottom. But other than that, very nice. I thought it was a hardcover, but it's actually it's got some flex to it. Oh, and this little piece does move up and down. So there you have it. I think my chicken's done, my sausage is done. I'm gonna go check it again, and then I'm gonna take it out. Yeah. Alright guys, I'm happy. My stomach's full. The food was delicious. Especially that cauliflower mac and cheese. That looked pretty good. And it tasted really good too. So I'm gonna go ahead and end this vlog here, and I hope you guys enjoyed our running around that we did today. Go ahead and hit the subscribe button down below and leave any kind of comments, anything you would like to know, anything you would like to ask us. And let me know also down below what your favorite Six Flags theme park is. The only one I've been to has been the one here in San Antonio. I know we have another one in Dallas, but I have not been to that one yet. So let me know down below which one's the best one. Because with our season pass, we can visit any Six Flags except for parking. We don't have to pay for parking, but oh well. All right, guys. Peace.